So how to get a discount with Confused.com. So in this video, I'm just going to run you through step by step on how you can get a discount with Confused.com and get a discount off of all their insurance policies. This is a discount method you can use every single time you use Confused.com, so make sure you stick around to the end in order to find out how to do it. So to go ahead and activate the discount from Confused.com, you don't need to enter any discount codes or anything like that, but what you will need to do is head to a website called TopCashback, and you can find the link below in the description. TopCashback, to quickly explain, is a cashback website that gives you cashback rewards off of all your online shopping. Plenty of the main websites you buy from online are listed here, such as getting a discount on flights and hotels, and this also ranges up to insurance policies, such as with Confused.com, which is what we'll cover in this video. But once you've clicked the link below, you should come across a landing page which looks like this, and you simply just want to go ahead and sign up. It is also worth mentioning, for using the link in the description, you'll also be eligible for a free £10 sign up bonus as well, so make sure you click the link below, and once you've signed up, we can then run through step by step on how to get your discount with Confused.com. Then once you've signed up, you should come across a home page which looks like this, and right at the top here, you just want to use the search bar and go ahead and search Confused.com right here. Then once you've typed it in, click the search icon right here, and as you can see here, you can get cashback from Confused.com, from car insurance, home insurance, travel insurance, and so much more. So there's a wide range of discounts available on Confused.com. So for the example of this video, let's just say you want to use Confused.com to get a discount on your car insurance. So we'll just go ahead and click car insurance from here. And as you can see, right now, you can get £30 in cashback from Confused.com when you purchase your car insurance using TopCashback. So the way this works is Confused.com and TopCashback have an affiliation. So this means by using TopCashback to purchase your Confused.com car insurance, TopCashback will essentially give you £30 in cashback once you've purchased your Confused.com car insurance. So it's essentially a £30 discount. But anyway, moving on to the fun part of the video, to go ahead and activate the discount, you just want to go ahead and select on the red button that says get £30 cashback. This will then pull you through to the Confused.com website, where from there, you'll then just need to go ahead and book the policy. So as I said, there's no need to enter any discount codes or anything like that, but the one thing that is very important is you must make sure that you purchase the policy using exactly the same tab that TopCashback opens up, as that's how they link the sale to your account, which in turn is how they track your cashback. So just go ahead and book your policy from here. And once you've purchased your policy from Confused.com, there's nothing left to do, and it simply just becomes a waiting game for TopCashback to track your sale. So usually this is 10 to 20 minutes, but it can take a little longer, so just be patient and make sure to head back to TopCashback to keep an eye on your account from there. But once it has tracked, if you go back to the home page here, you'll just want to click on Accounts, select on Earnings, and then from there you should see a transaction from Confused.com that looks like this, just to confirm that your sale has been tracked and is eligible for cashback. Now, if it doesn't display £30 straight away and says pending uplift, don't worry, this is perfectly normal. The pending uplift will automatically change to £30. It just means that TopCashback is doing some final verifications just to verify your transaction with Confused.com so it can attach the cashback to your account. And there you have it. Now, it can take a few weeks for it to be paid out, but as long as you keep an eye on your TopCashback account, you should be notified on when you are able to receive the payout on it. And if you want to find out how to cash out on TopCashback, I'll leave a link below in the description to another video where I show you how to cash out on TopCashback. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.